Hi everyone, Mrs. Olson here. How are you guys doing? First, we are going to review what we learned last week. We designed the sugar skull last week. Did you enjoy it? We practiced the symmetrical drawing and I know it was challenging, but you all did a great job. I love seeing all your beautiful designs. So, the sugar skull is usually symmetry, but what was the symmetry? Symmetry is if you draw the line down the middle, it looks same on both sides. Symmetrical art will make the artwork look clean and organized. Another question. What if something has symmetry? Butterfly, heart, sugar skull, arrow, flowers, airplane. Try to find something has a symmetry and let Miss Olsen know that. Today we will learn the new word, which is asymmetry. Asymmetry is the opposite of symmetry. Remember, symmetry will make the artwork very organized and clean looking, but asymmetry will give the visual interest. Here is the example of asymmetry, famous artwork by Hokusai Katsuhika. You see the big wave on the left side, but the right side has the empty area. He made it in this way on purpose, so the wave look more dynamic and give the artwork more interest. Alright, now we are going to move on to today's activity. Let's watch the video and enjoy drawing.
Hey friends, we're going to be drawing leaves.
Yeah, fall is one of my favorite seasons of the year, and it's because the leaves change color and it looks amazing. So I thought it would be fun to draw leaves today, and we're going to show you how to draw 6 different leaves. It's a lot, but it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes.
All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, the first leaf we're going to draw is an elm, and we're going to draw 3 leaves on one sheet of paper, and then we're going to get a new sheet and draw 3 more. So we're going to start up here in the top right, and we're going to draw the middle of the leaf first. So we're going to draw a curved line, kind of up here in the top left. All right, now an elm leaf is shaped like a football, but it's got jagged lines on the side. So we're going to start down here towards the base, and we're going to draw a zigzag line, and it can be a crazy zigzag line because we want it to look natural, and then we're going to come back down towards the point right here. Yeah, that's cool. And your zigzags are getting a little big towards the top.
Yeah.
That's okay, we're practicing, but we want to keep them kind of small. So now we're going to draw zigzag lines and curve down here on the right side. Try and keep the zigzags short and small. Cool, it looks good, dude. Now we're going to draw the veins, and those are the lines that connect the stem out to the edge. So we're going to draw a lot of them, and we're going to angle them down. See how they're angled diagonal? Yep. And then on the other side, we're going to angle the other direction. Good job. Now, when we fast forward the video, what can our friends do at home?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need extra time to finish a step. The next leaf we're going to draw is a poplar leaf. Now, we're going to draw a curved line for the center, but we're going to angle it the other direction. So we're going to curve it this way. Is that cool?
Yeah.
This time we're going to start at the top, and we're going to do a little zigzag line up at the top, and it's going to be an upside down V. So we're going to go just a little shape like this, little V shape, upside down V. Yeah. Good. Now, on this side, we're going to draw a curve that comes out, and we're also going to add the zigzag lines also. So I'm going to draw the stem just a little further down. Now watch this. We're going to do zigzag. We're going to come out, and then we're going to come back in like that. So let's see how it comes down. Yes, curves out, and then it curves back in. Good. Good job. So we're going to do zigzags. I'm doing the same thing. Whoop. And we're going to come out further and then back in. And that's okay that it looks wobbly
Yeah.
because we want it to look natural, like it's off the tree.
Yeah.
Nature.
Nature.
Now we need to draw the veins that we drew up here, but we're not going to draw as many. And I'm not going to draw them all the way out to the edge. So there's one, and we're going to angle them up, but we're going to space them further away. Cool. I'm going to draw two more. And then one at the very top that's really short. And then we could do those same veins on the other side. All right, you did awesome on those two leaves. Now the next one is going to be even trickier. It's a walnut, and it has a lot of leaves on it. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw the stem down the middle. We're going to curve it this way. Now on this one, we could also draw zigzags, but let's keep this one a little easier, and we'll just draw smooth lines. We'll leave the zigzags off. So we're going to draw a football shape that's up here at the very top. So we're going to come out, in, and right at the end we can curve a little bit. Good. And then we're going to come back the other way for the other side.
Looks like a raindrop.
Oh yeah, it kind of does look like a raindrop. Good. Now we're going to draw more leaves going down the side. But to do that, let's actually draw the center first, and I think that'll help us. So let's draw a line that comes out, and we're going to draw a line that comes out on the other side also. Now we're going to draw a leaf that goes around the shape, and we want it to look the same as this first one. So we're going to draw a curve that comes out, back in. Now when we're drawing the leaf, we can make sure that this curve comes back in to where the stem starts.
Okay.
And then on the other side, I'm going to draw kind of an S shape. That cool?
Yeah.
Now if you want to make it a little trickier, you could draw those zigzag lines, kind of like we did on the first two leaves. All right, now let's draw the other side. I'm going to draw another curve that comes out, back in. Okay, now we're going to draw the other side. And I'm going to draw an S curve, kind of like I did over here. Cool. Now, the next set of leaves are going to be smaller than these two. So we're going to draw that center curve, but we want to draw it shorter than the first one we drew. I'm going to draw another one over here. Then we're going to draw the outside just like we did on the first one. We'll go a little faster since we're repeating the same steps. So we're going to draw the outside on this side. Okay, now we're going to do it one more time, and this one's going to be even smaller. And then we draw the outside. Is that cool?
Yeah.
It's looking really awesome. Okay, we did it, except we need to draw the veins on the inside. Now this top leaf, we should have drawn the center part first. There we go. All right, now let's draw the veins. And we're going to do V's all the way up our leaf. And we're going to do it on this one, and then the rest of them we're going to fast forward. So you guys can pause the video again to finish your leaves.
Okay, now you can color the leaf. However, don't color the leaf with only boring colors such as yellow, brown, or green. Make it really crazy. I don't mind if you color the leaf blue, purple, or pink. Also, you can color with some pattern too. Remember, we learned about the types of line from week 2 videos, and you can draw some pattern with using the lines. You see some examples here, and I'd love to see your design the leaf beautifully, but also in a crazy way. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. It's getting cold, so make sure you stay warm, and I will see you next week. Bye!